against Dylan. As you can see, Dylan is successfully blocking him. But will Miles be able to make a shot on him? Oh, here he goes for the charging. And Dylan's holding him down. But he's still got the ball. Miles has still got the ball. And he's struggling. He's trying to get over him. He's trying to sneak through. But Dylan has got him locked down. I repeat, locked down. I don't know what's going to go on here, folks. But it seems pretty intense. Oh, the second ball kick. Oh my God. He did some ball kick, some maneuver. But that didn't work. And now here goes again. Some ninja kicks. Bruce Lee. Jackie Chan. Chuck Norris. I don't know. Jet Li. Other Chinese Kung Fu fighters style. Look at that. Oh, he's got the ball. And Dylan. Oh my God, Dylan. He missed the shot. And Miles is in control again. He's going up. He's going up. He's on the couch. He's struggling. Here he comes again. And Dylan's holding his defense down. He's got the ball. Will Dylan make the shot? And Dylan has it. There we go. Miles has been scored on. And then also stick around for the special highlights play. I do our Dylan. Ah!